Hello everyone, this is me, and this video is about a little upgrade. So first off, let's go to the post office and collect whatever it is. What better place than an open park to unbox something? So, I don't know how am I supposed to unbox it over here, but let's give it a try. One more thing, I forgot to bring any kind of knives or something, so we're gonna use a library card. Let's see. Can you see me now? Let's do it. Ta-da! And inside it's nothing else, it's puzzle box. So this is where I was struck. You can see me, I mean, stop, camera angle 3 or something. We have our device over here, so this is our little upgrade. You can just see my it's okay. So things are about to change. You will be able to see my whole face, that's not a problem. But from now on, we're gonna shoot upcoming videos with this device, because I was hoping for a DJI Pocket 3, but they haven't released in more than a year now. So okay, let's unbox it. So this is the device. Over here in the box we have, of course, the DJI Pocket 2, the cover, the phone adapter, actually two, one lightning and one for USB Type-C, so that's good. Although I'll never need the the lightning one, yeah. And we have the wrist wrap and the power cable. Do we have something else? Oh, we have a mini controller and a tripod mount too. And again, I don't have a knife, just trying to do whatever is possible. Yep, we got a pair, guys. Okay, how do I open it? Yo, dude, this is dope. This is actually dope. Okay, let's see what we have here. Some weird designs, and I think this is the main device. Let me just find a way to take this out one hand. Okay, there it is. Let's see what we have over here. Inside, of course, we have some paperwork, what we'll never use. We have some stickers too. I'm struggling to take it out with one hand, but we have some stickers. Can you see it? Yeah, you can, I guess. So yeah, and over here we have here inside. Okay, this looks like the mount and the controller thing. Okay, and hey, come on, we have the straps. Do you call it straps? I think so. We have the, of course, the Type-C and the type lightning cable, not the cable, the adapter, and finally the type C charging cable. We don't have any adapters. Oh, that's okay. Let's go to the main part. Oh man, I'm totally in the opposite side. Yeah, let's. Oh, oh yeah. Look at that. Ready? Oh, this feels so good. So this is our device, Dji Osmo Pocket 2. Oh my god, what's that? Oh, this is okay. How do I get this thing out? Oh yeah, look at that. Okay, inside, if you can see, we have places to store everything inside the box. So that's cool. And this is our device. It has an interesting paper-like finish. That's so cool. Okay, another pill time. Yeah, ready? Okay, 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 okay. Hi, come on. Yeah, ready? Ooh, that sounds so small. These buttons are so tiny. The reviews it looks so robust, but it's so cool. Like, this is the whole camera that's gonna shoot up to 4K 60 FPS. Can you believe this? And it's gimbal. Look at that. And some more pills for you. Ooh. Ooh. And we have one more, which says power button. So this is also a power button, and this also works as a power button to be able to shoot front view. Yeah. So the last one. Now let's try to start it. So that's our device. So yeah, I normally throw the shits away, but this is what we need to know for this video, how this works. We have to download this app to activate, not actually activate, to work perfectly with this device. Then we can attach it with our phone. We have to use a micro SD card for because it doesn't have RAM ROMs for sure. So yeah. Then we have, oh come on, yeah. So this is how you navigate through the screen. We can add mount over here, add the controllers, and how we case the device with the straps. So the upcoming videos are gonna be from this device. Let me know what the quality is, but it can shoot up to 4K 60, but I will still stick to 180p 60 because that's good for my storage. Yeah, so that's it for today.